Welcome back to Lou's Fish Room, and tonight we're talking about how to get rid of the remaining Malaysian trumpet snails. So in my last video you saw me siphoning, and after siphoning there's always going to be some left in the plants or in the top of the tanks, etc. So Fergus, I should introduce you. How are we going to get rid of them with a chemical means?
We had the idea to use non-ionic copper as a treatment into the tank. It's really common in marine aquariums. In low concentrations so that it doesn't impact the fish. It's kind of okay as long as you ramp it up really slowly. From my very quick Google, it looks like plecos start to be impacted at around the 1 milligram per litre concentration of copper. So potentially keeping it still well below that, but for a longer period, might be able to kill off some of the remaining trumpet snails. If all the fish are removed, then you can go a little bit harder. As long as it doesn't seep into the wood or silicon.
And how easy is it to test the water for copper?
There are quite a few copper test kits.
Okay.
I think the better ones are made by Hannah Marine, but there are definitely some API test kits that will work in
And I heard you say that the wood might be a problem, so you'd have to get rid of the wood to do the treatment?
It would be better off getting rid of the wood or anything that can absorb copper, because it'll slowly leach out over time. Even doing sort of 100% water changes, soaking it again, doesn't guarantee that there's none left.
Okay. All right. Well, the only thing I have to think about is if I take the wood out, is it going to kill the snails?
Potentially if you boil it.
Okay. All right. Thank you very much, Fergus. So stage 2 of the snail destruction project sounds like we're going to go chemical.